This is day 3 of Kaylee's adventures with Molly. Kaylee made the first move, came out, laid down, exposed her belly, and said, "Here I am, Molly. Come smell me." Now, they're good friends. Uh-oh, Molly's making some noise. What are you making noise for, Molly?